Hi, my name is Eunice M. Del Rosario from 1ENGA, taking Bachelor of Science in Civil Engineering, first year freshman. I'm here to recite Colegio de San Juan de Latran, Manila's vision and mission. Vision: continuing the tradition of excellence, producing graduates who are responsive and responsible citizens of the world. Colegio de San Juan de Latran, Manila envisions herself in 2030 as a transformative Catholic Dominican educational institution that is striving in innovation, committed to sustainability, and driven to internationalization. Mission: Colegio de San Juan de Latran, Manila, a Catholic and Dominican institution with a special devotion to Mary, commits herself in evangelization through education towards the integral formation of the human person in the novel tradition of excellence according to the ideals of Jus Patria Letran.